All right, one of the things that maybe a lot of you guys have seen on TikTok and YouTube recently is the whole outfit check thing. Now, I'm not a knowledgeable or professional person when it comes to this idea of doing an outfit check. I'm pretty sure what it is. Well, I have twin daughters, and each of them every morning they do this thing called an outfit check on Marco Polo. Yeah, so I know I let them have it, but I have to be involved with it. So I get these shared cast things or whatever, and every morning they do these things that they call outfit checks. So they go through and they're like, my shirt is whatever, my pants or whatever, my shoes, whatever, socks, which is really funny. Half the time they're like, my shirt, I don't really know. My pants, I don't really know. My shoes, I don't really know. Anyways, I got thinking about it and I'm like, how many of us start our day off with a mental health check? So instead of a outfit check, how many of us start out with a mental health check? Now, I don't know what that exactly would look like other than trying to stop. Just like you would do if you were doing an outfit check, you would stop and, you'd record it or whatever if you're doing an outfit check. But I don't know, so maybe some people don't record them. They just do it in their minds or in front of the mirror, whatever, right? They just make sure that they look presentable. Now, with mental health, why don't we do the same kinds of things? Like, hey, how am I feeling right now? What am I feeling right now? Am I upset or frustrated about anything? If so, what is that about? Do I feel anxious? Do I feel depressed? Do I feel worried about anything specific about the day? And these might be obvious questions, but sometimes we don't really pay enough attention to kind of do the checklist of things. And I think it might even be a really good idea. I just thought of this right now, but the idea of maybe having some sort of like a checklist where you just kind of go down through and am I this or is this going on or whatever. A lot of people would say, yeah, but you're thinking about it and it's on your mind. But sometimes until you stop and really think about what you're feeling, you don't know or not sure what you're feeling. And unless you stop and think about what it is that's going on up here, you might be projecting a lot of things onto your own family members, kids, whatever, but it's coming from within you. And that might take a little bit more time, but I don't know. I just thought that it would be a really good idea to do some sort of like a mental health check, just like people do with their outfit checks. Why is that so much more important for people? And it's something that I'm going to talk to my kids about too, and just say, hey, look, when you're sitting there doing your outfit check, are you checking your thoughts? Are you checking what you're feeling and maybe what is happening throughout the day? So anyways, just a random thought that I had. Let me know what you guys think about this idea.